Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be freezing and blanching and harvesting some of our kale and let it regrow. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start taking some of the leaves off down here like this. And I'm going to leave the middle leaves. Lots and lots of kale we have here. Alhamdulillah. And I'm going to leave this middle leaf right here so it can continue to regrow. You see these new leaves? They'll continue to regrow as I take away the outer leaves. So we've harvested this pot of kale, Russian kale. Still on the plant, so hopefully inshallah they'll still continue to regrow since we left the middles. And now we're going to do the rest. Alright, so now we're going to harvest this one. That one. Continue taking the leaves off like so. Thank you. We got the harvest bowl. We've harvested all of our kale in our baskets. And now we are going to save them and put them in the freezer for food storage. Inshallah. Harvested kale is a lot. So we're going to get to harvesting and packaging it. And here we go up here. We have the kids are harvesting the arugula and taking the seeds off, which is the flowers. These are the seeds that we're going to save. And this is the arugula. Now I've separated the kale from sizes. And I made sure it was bug free since it's organic, because we're going to have some bugs. But I cleaned them off. And this is the arugula separated. And these are the flowers of the arugula that have seeds, where I'm going to save. Inshallah. Alright, now I'm going to give some of our community chickens some kale. There you go. Alright, hopefully they enjoy the little worms on that kale. Kale, I'm blanching it in hot water and then cold water. I'll blanch it in cold water. I'm going to be vacuum sealing our greens that I blanched and got prepared for storage in the freezer. So stay tuned. Place some of our kale inside of our bag, food saver bag, and now I am going to seal it for storage. Place my kale inside of the bag, and now I'm going to seal it. Alright, so now I'm going to seal it. Here's all of our sealed arugula and kale stored for food storage. This will last anywhere from 3 to 6 months in your freezer, deep freezer, my deep freezer. To label and date your packages. Thanks for watching.